Shaoxing Rongdi Mechanical Co. Limited was established in February 2011 and is located in Tongpu Industrial Zone, Shaoxing City, Zhejiang Province. It is a company that produces refrigerator and air conditioner refrigeration copper fittings. The company has many patents for invention and was recognized as a high-tech enterprise of the country in December 2018. The company's various products mainly provide supporting parts for well-known home appliance enterprises at home and abroad. The tube assemblies and air conditioning pipes such as compressor process tubes and exhaust tubes are popular in Japan, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and other countries and regions. Shaoxing Rongdi attaches great importance to R&D investment and takes innovation as the driving force of development, promoting technological innovation in automation and intelligence to maintain industry leadership.